get ready with me to go to a school. Alright, my dad is actually here. So I have to So we're going to the supermarket, and my dad is very staring so weakly, like I don't know why. As we're going to the supermarket and we're going to buy our breakfast because we don't. My mom requests us to have pancake, and I asked yes. So you know that I actually supposed to have my dad asked me to ask. He was just joking that I have to go to kinder, but I'm not going to kinder anymore. Since okay, just wait. Since I'm going to the mall, even though my mom is calling me, even though I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do like this and this. I don't know why. My mom doesn't know I'm in the room for just no reason. Since my hair is kind of messy when you put this, I actually kind of look weird, and I just gonna recognize it, and it just got wet for just no reason. No reason to be found. I am eliminated. Tita Nori told me that
Hey,
I'm getting ready.
halika na.
Vlogging.
Boy, ano yan? For the hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm vlogging, Ma.
We will go na.
I'm
Sa baba lang, huwag sa taas.
Kaso,
Put it properly eh. Lamit pa sa ulo mo.
since my mom is fixing me, I have to put my cologne. Wait, I think I have a perfume. Just wait. Mommy, could you get my the pink bag, the flower bag, the pomegranate? Sorry, my mom is just making my video stop. But I think it's okay.
You have to press it. It's already...
Okay. Just wait.
I need help.
Mommy, can you wear my tutu?
Parang mahaba yung shorts mo.
Eh di, iba yung shorts ko.
Ang backyard na yung shorts mo. Hindi ka na, naghintay na si daddy.
Okay, bye everybody. This is my story.